Thank you, business partners and clients. We love you guys, and we love you so much that we have a referral rewards program for our clients. Pretty simple. You send us a client, you send us a work order, you send us a job, we log that into our system. You're the referring party. You get a ticket into the monthly drawing for the raffle. What are we raffling off this year in 2024? We're raffling off $250 every single month to one lucky winner. Not only is it $250 for them, but we also do $100 for their favorite charity. It's not just about giving back to our clients, but it's also about giving back to the community. And our grand prize at the end of the year is going to be $1,200. And that doesn't matter if you refer to job in January or December, you have the chance to win $1,200 for yourself and also $1,200 for your favorite charity. It's our referral rewards program. We love our clients. We love our business partners. We love our referral partners. Trust your restoration hero with your water, mold, and fire needs, and we won't let you down. Thank you and have a great day.